Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to add sources to Copilot notebooks. So let's start by this article here, which explains to us everything from 1 to 10. So how do we add references to our Microsoft Copilot notebook? With Microsoft 365 Copilot notebooks, you can now create and reason with Copilot in a unified space that brings together all your relevant content. So as you work with Copilot, receive focused answers tailored to your notebook's content, and you can add more references as your project evolves. So how do we do that? Simply, in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app at the notebook, select an existing notebook. Note, if you are new to Copilot, you need to go here, but already we've made a video, so you can check it out, and we've made a video about how we can use Copilot with notebook. So under references in the left pane, select the plus button next to your references, and under references, Copilot will suggest a list of references you may want to add. You can also add references in a few different ways, like search. In the search bar, you can enter the name of a specific reference and then select it from the list of suggested references. You can also search for and add SharePoint sites, document libraries, or folders as references. When you select one, Copilot can use supported files stored in that location to answer questions, summarize information, or generate new content based on what you have permission to access. Now, you can also upload, so you can literally just select the upload button and find the file you want to add from your PC. Then you could also link, like add a link, like literally go here, for example, I want this to be as my reference. I could copy the link and paste it in the URL button, and it should be added. Also, you can add the OneDrive. So select the OneDrive icon, choose any individual file that you have in it, and it should be added as a reference. And finally, drag and drop. Just select any file on your PC, drop it, and it should be it. Then select add, and just like that, you have added like a reference, or we can say a source to Copilot notebooks. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.